In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. First, launch your TikTok, navigate to the profile page. Here you're going to find different tab, navigate to the repost tab. Under that, you're going to find the list of the videos that you have reposted. In order to remove a single repost, you'll need to open the video, click on the share option and select the option remove repost. By following the same steps, you can easily remove other reposts as well. In case you have reposted tons of videos and want to remove all of them at once, what you can do is click on three bars, select the option settings and privacy, scroll down and navigate to the option report a problem. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option chat with us. Now here you will need to briefly explain that you want to remove all of your reposts, but as you have tons of videos reposted, it's really time consuming to remove each of them. So you are requesting TikTok support team to remove all of those videos at once, and then you can send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. This way, all of your reposted videos might be deleted all at once. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.